Hello and welcome to this presentation on why you should listen to the market and not the news. Welcome once again. My name is Primo. I am the president and founder of Specialist Trading, and each week I present these short, brief educational webinars so that hopefully you can elevate your trading. Now today I'm going to talk about 3 clues that show in advance a big move coming in a specific market. But before we begin, I ask that you please take a moment to view our disclaimer. I'm going to show you a lot of performance results using these 3 clues, but please remember that we can in no way guarantee that any of the results will be repeated in the future. Alright, so let's begin. This all started out with some breaking news. This is the Los Angeles Times, and this goes back to October 19th. Oprah invests in Weight Watchers and the shares double. I'm sure you saw that right away in the news. It basically states that media mogul Oprah Winfrey bought 10% stake in Weight Watchers, and the stock soared off of that. It soared off of the news. In fact, it closed up 101% at 13.92 on Monday, the day after the news was announced. So how could you have taken advantage of that? Most people will listen to this news and then want to jump right in. Could we have taken advantage of that with basically just listening to the market instead of the news? Well, let's look at the chart prior to the news event. If we look here at WTW, which is Weight Watchers, it basically is just going sideways. So someone just seeing this before the news would say, well, there's no clear-cut trend. You shouldn't be doing anything in Weight Watchers. That's not really true, because our first clue is by simply adding the 50-period moving average. And we ask ourselves where price is in relation to that 50-period moving average, and obviously price is above. So this is our first clue that comes from the market. The market is telling us that the overall trend is up. Therefore, if the overall trend is up, we do not want to short Weight Watchers. We want to look for buy setups. So let's narrow it down now by looking at another clue. So we know that the overall trend is up. We add our short-term trend identifier, which is the PET-D. Do you see how it colors the bars from red to green? Now, in the first week of October, we had a confluence of green bars. So what is this telling us now? It's telling us now, clue number 2, the PET-D colors the bars green, therefore the short-term trend is up. So now, as far back as 2 weeks ago, we knew in advance that the overall trend as well as the short-term trend were up. Now let's even tighten it up even more. As we look at the chart here, we see that we have a bar colored in green that closes in its top 25% of its range. Okay, so what is this telling us? Well, clue number 3 states that when a bar closes in the top quarter of its range, it's telling you it wants to go higher. Now, we put all these 3 clues together that make up one of our best trading packages at Specialist Trading, which is called our Dynamic Duo. This is a strategy number 4 buy signal that is also color-coded green and confirmed by the PET-D. So on the 5th, the members of our Dynamic Duo course were issued a buy signal in Weight Watchers. This was 2 full weeks prior to the announcement. So most of the people in the course were already long the stock, and as you saw later on, once the news was announced, Weight Watchers surged over 11 points in just 2 weeks. So someone could have obviously taken that news and then purchased the stock and then hoped to get some more gains out of that. We knew by just listening to the market and listening to the clues rather than the news to get in well before the news announcement, and we had an 11.60 cent surge in just 2 weeks. So if you're interested in more information such as this, or would like to give us some feedback, go to our Facebook page at ProTraderStrategies.com and let us know if this information could help you. Even if you just use the 50-period simple moving average, I think that could help you in defining the overall trend. Now, for more information on our Dynamic Duo course, on the PET-D, on strategy number 4, or any of the strategies and techniques that we teach and monitor at Specialist Trading, contact our sister site, which is Pro Trader Strategies. You have their email address as well as their phone number there. They can give you more information on anything that we teach at Specialist Trading. I hope this brief webinar and educational webinar was helpful to you, and for more information just contact us at Pro Trader Strategies, and I look forward to all of you becoming students of mine at Specialist Trading. Thank you.